So here's everybody's little update on Mama Kitty. She's still about the same size. Like I said, hopefully someone will fix her awful haircut that I gave her before she's adopted. Hey, Mama. What is it, Saffron? I put this bed on the bed and I came in and none of them were laying on it. Because why would a cat do that? It makes no sense. So basically all the kittens are weaned now. Occasionally Saffron's a little baby and wants some milk. And then of course, Rosemary's still in the cage. Hey. Why do you love the cage so much? Who knows, but Mama Kitty's they're all getting their shots next Thursday. And then Mama Kitty's gonna get fixed pretty soon, so she's doing good.